So I just stopped by to do an inspection on a roof that we're doing, which is a cedar to asphalt conversion. I thought maybe you should know a few things you need to consider if you have a cedar roof right now and you're considering switching over to asphalt roof. So one of the first things you'll notice on this roof is that it's on skip sheathing or strapping. There's a number of different names you can do it, but essentially it's on boards, right? So it's not on planks, right, where there's no gaps, they're very small gaps. It's not on sheathing, like not on a decking, right? It's on these boards. Now, the nice thing about these boards, especially in the context of a cedar roof, is great ventilation. That's something that you really need when you're doing a roof in cedar, is you need good ventilation of your shingles underneath, right? Now, the other thing you need to consider, right, is that when you're going back to asphalt, you're gonna have to put a deck on. And that's what we've done here. But I'm gonna talk more about the deck after. What I wanna discuss as well is I wanna talk about the flashing, right? So when you connect your wall to your roof, you're gonna have situations where you'll be able to see the flashing a lot bigger, a lot thicker, because what's happened is your shingles were this thick, right? And now they're only this thick, right? So you're gonna see the flashings connecting your walls to your roof a lot better, right? The other thing that you're gonna run into, right, is that now if we do put this sheathing on, right, this wood, well, if we don't put a new metal trim on the edge of your roof, so if I go over there, bear with me for one moment, this wood right here, right, that's basically